Fuck. The trees are too thick. I'm out of ammo. Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Ben! Ben, I need ammo. No, my brown bag. Here. Throw it up. Just come up to me, come on. Come up to me. Hurry up. I need it. Hey, I can't reach it. Dude, I got so close. I need you to keep covering me. Don't lose your position. No, you're not hit, you're not hit, you're not hit. I didn't see you get hit.
Okay.
You're not hit, Ben. I didn't see you get hit.
No, they all went over my head. Riley, did I get hit?
No. Alright. I've got 4 shots to hit 3 targets. Alright, you know what? I'm just... How many RBs I get? I need to get as many as I can. Oh, there we go. This should be a full clip. But make sure I don't drop any.
Alright.
I got 8 PBs. Should have about 4 people. I'm going in. Ben, I'm going in. Ben! Ben, cover me. Wow! Wow! Are you all hit? Wow, dude, there's one left! But I don't have ammo! Ben hit! Just Sam! Ah! Sam! Ah! Oh! I need ammo. I surrender, okay, holy shit. Holy crap.
That's right. That's how we got here. Alright, same team.
I didn't get all 3 of you.
You got me.
Yeah, you got me.
No.
Such a long round.
You got me in the face.
You got me right here.
Bro, same teams?
Hi, Ryan, where did I get you?
Yeah,
Face.
Like
Go in
right
the
here.
face.
Do you see it?
Oh shit.
Right here.
Just in there.
She's gonna stay here.
I think we should just head back now.
Yeah, let's go back.
And Sam, I couldn't get.
What's up?
He got full auto. My pistol ran out. Yeah. And once again.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Not so hot. I feel really disturbed.
Oh.
This is not a play area. Those don't even look like toys.
Alright, I'm sorry.
This is a habitat of some animals who own it before you.
Alright.
Okay.
You need to leave, I think.
All right. We were just
I
about
don't
ready to
know.
go.
You know, that's my point of view.
Okay.
No,
What do
yeah.
you
We'll
think?
we'll respect that. Yeah.
Yeah.
We hadn't been told otherwise before, but we understand your views now.
Well, it's my... I can't figure out what you guys are playing.
Oh,
It's
We're-
like
we're-
it really kind of upsets me anyway.
alright.
All right. We'll leave.
Well, wait. No, I want to know.
It's called airsoft.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
airsofting.
It's these little white biodegradable pellets that we
Yeah.
use. Well, it doesn't like hurt us. It's just if you're hit, you're just hit.
They're little biodegradable pellets.
Yeah.
And people use these and play with them.
Yeah.
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 And you're playing like war games.
Yeah.
So, and when you're 19, you're going to sign up and go to Iraq.
No.
No.
18,
No.
No.
17.
Never.
No, we're never gonna
Never.
join the army.
Why not?
This is good enough. We don't actually
Yeah.
want to
For
go
this
into
is
the army.
this is as real as it's gonna get, cause
Yeah, we don't want to actually.
the experience in real war
Is,
is a lot more
It's,
devastating.
Well, of course, naturally.
Yeah.
Guess what? But I don't know. I'm really. I think you've been out here for quite a few hours, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
And you've been making a lot of noise. And you know this is a habitat for animals. Have you seen any? I
No.
imagine with all the noise you're making, you scared them away. But it's a small island. Anyway, that's my point of view anyway. I don't like hearing a noise
Okay.
going
Sorry
on
about
and
that.
on and
We're
on.
sorry.
And I don't know where is an okay place for you guys to play this game.
There's a
Well,
spot near my house in
yeah.
Santa Fe.
and then other places we had to pay.
Yeah. You have to pay to go to other places too.
Yeah.
That's kind of a drag.
Yeah.
But that makes sure it's safe, I guess.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But it's, Target Games. It's a trip, isn't it? I think you should practice archery, because someday that may be what you need to do,
Okay.
because people run out of drugs. Anyway, good luck.
All right. Thank
Alright,
you.
Sorry about that.
All right. Well, this is Baysofters. We just got busted. All of us right here. We just got busted by this lady. I mean, I told my friends we weren't gonna get busted today, but we did. So, this is the end of our airsofting today. We might move on to the old school. We don't know. Well, this is Riley from Baysofters signing off. Can't snap with gloves on, but just imagine I'm snapping. Riley from Baysofter. See ya.